We have freshwater creatures. If you have a lake or pound of the water above 7 pH, all the fish will start to lose their oils on the skin, and 2 days later they'll just die and float on top of the surface. Would you go to that lake and tell your kids to go and drink it? No, of course not.
You need something neutral.
Neutral, actually acidic. The perfect pH balance for us is 6.5 to 6.9, and that's the pH water that comes out of mountain springs. Mountain springs water is the best water for us. So all this conspiracy about alkaline water, you cannot alkaline your body drinking alkaline water.
It's not a natural. You need to drink lemon water.
Yes, actually, lemon water is the best thing you can do, and that's pH 2.5. All of our body is acidic. Our liver is 2.8, even our skin is 5.4. So when you drink alkaline water, first of all, it's neutralized directly from the gastric acid at 2.8. So it really has nothing effect.
Right.
The only good thing about water ionizing is the restructure of the water, because you split the water molecules into H plus and H minus, or hydrogen peroxide and oxygen. So that's the negative ion charge that you're looking for, the restructured water that becomes thinner, so better profile hydration. So people who feel great about drinking ionized water is because they drink more water that is thinner, not because of the properties of alkaline. Actually, a cancer cell is alkaline, a healthy cell is acidic. So when you drink alkaline, you actually give the food to your cancer to germinate and thrive and be existing and survive.
We don't want that.
You don't want that.
But we are alkaline.
Our blood is actually, yes, alkaline, but everything else is not.
So we want to be alkaline. We don't want to be acid. Is that right? We get acid because of the meat and all that dairy.
There's yin and yang in everything. Most of everything in our body is acidic. Like I said, all the organs and the digestive system is acidic. Only the blood is alkaline. The perfect pH balance from, again, Dr. Karim says that the pH of the blood and the saliva and the urine should be 6.4, which is acidic, not alkaline.
Not 7?
No, 6.4. The water ionizers originally was designed to sanitize hospitals, not for human consumption. People took advantage of the ignorance of people to make those machines, very costly machines, and come up with some broadcast of wonderful information that looks
tell the guy was crazy, look at me and laugh.
amazing brainwash. Yeah. So forget about alkaline water.
There's other ways. There's cheaper ways of restructuring water too. They have the thing that you
vortex.
connect. The vortex, where you put the water through and it acts like a tunnel and it recharges.
When
And
you
it's cheap.
spin the water, you create a vortex. Within, this water is not that great. The best water is the one from you know, like a flat bowl, Starbucks coffee. They have a good. Yeah, I'll show you. You can actually restructure your water like this. You shake it up, you create bubbles, and then you create
Oxygen.
negative ions.
Negative,
You create that surface tension. That's why it feels good to be on the beach. The wave crushing to the shore, creating a bubble effect, creates negative ions. Same thing with water.
I use a fish pump, right?
I'm sorry?
I use a pump from the fish.
Fish tank.
From the fish tank.
That doesn't.
Yeah.
And put in the water and add a little baking soda to it.
Sounds good.
And
But wait, but what kind of baking soda? The non-aluminum
Right.
based?
So here's my vortex, guys.
Pump right. Right.
When you do that, before you drink, you restructure your water. Very simple. There's a moment of inertia right in the middle. If we could collect the energy within the center of that vortex, we could go up to 100,000 volts. It's very powerful. See?
Yep.
So I designed a machine. It's called the hydromagnetic vortex generator. You go on YouTube. If you go to a vortex,
Scientist.
Oh,
you type vortex. It's a vase.
Yeah.
I know that one.
Yeah, you saw it.
Yeah.
You buy a vase at Marshall's, like $5, and a computer fan you find on the street. You put some magnet on the computer fan, and you take one of those magnetic strier for laboratories you buy on eBay for $2. You put the magnetic strier inside the vase, and the fan that rotates spins the magnet attached to it.
Right.
Because the fan spins, it makes the vortex strier spin inside. The spin of that magnet creates a vortex within the water. You restructure that.
And then you drink the water.
Yes,
Yep.
you can actually put magnets all around it. You put 6, alternate, positive, negative, positive, negative. So when you do that, you actually duplicate what's happening in nature in mountains. because there's a special nature. The rocks have a paramagnetism. The rocks are positively charged and negatively charged. So when the water passes through, those magnetic fields, they create more energy. So you actually make the water more vibrant and more
And
living.
you can do that with tap water or has
Any
to be
water.
any water.
Yes. So it's better when you put the minerals in it because that has ohms in it. So you activate the life force energy.
Once we add with the filter, then they